G'day and welcome back to another editing tutorial. Today we're going to look at object removal in Lightroom. Now I'm not going to go through the whole editing process. I have a previous video in regards to that. But we've got this Global 7500 that was at Shore Harbour Airport recently, and we've got a few objects in the way. We've got a wing, we've got a passerby, and we've got our ARO team, our aerodrome reporting officers, parked nicely in frame. But we can actually get rid of them. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go up to our remove tool. So up here in Lightroom, we've got our remove tool. Now we've got a beautiful new AI system in regards to removal of objects. Now I select detect objects and use generative AI. So what I'll do, let's start down here with this wing. We're just going to click, drag and circle the wing. It's going to select the area. Beautiful. So we want everything that we want removed within this sort of red shadow. And we're going to click remove, and AI is going to do our job for us. I'm going to do this all in real time just so you can see how long it actually does take. There we go. Bam. Wing gone. Now, thankfully, it has duplicated the area, I guess, below the wing there, but you can have a look at different variations, and we can just click there. It's changed the grass and the bitumen a little bit. Another version, same deal, but when you're looking at that image, you're not going to see it. I'm very happy with how that has been removed. Now, let's start on our little spectator over here. Again, circle, select the area. Lovely. What I will do is just add in this little section here. Click remove. That one went a lot quicker. Let's have a look at our variations here. Again, just slightly changing the grass. Minute details. Now we've got our ARO team here. Love how they parked there. Let's get rid of them. All right, let's add in this bloke's head and let's remove some of this. We don't want to go nuts with it. All right, I'm pretty happy with that. Let's click remove. Bam, ARO team is gone. Let's have a look at the variations. Once again, it changes slight areas of the image, but if I removed it and I didn't tell you, you wouldn't know it was there. So it's a great tool. I'm very happy with what it's done. Now up here, we've got this hold to hide corrections. So if I click and hold that, it'll bring back what we've got. How good's that? That's pretty good, isn't it? So these days you might have a crowded shot, but just know that Lightroom has some great tools to remove such objects for the photo to become really quite good. So that's where I'm going to leave it today. I'm not going to edit the photo. It was just a tutorial in regards to removing things in Lightroom. So any questions, pop it down in the comments, and stay tuned for the next video. Cheers.